This Sunday on Cine Throwback.
We got a low pressure read on the pipeline. We are a four-man saturation dive team.
You know there's a storm in the line.
We came here to do a job.
Yes, sir. Get on the radio! Belt to surface! Belt to surface! Dropping at speed! Full stop on the belt! Brace yourselves, please! Are you okay? Let's talk to me! We're losing oxygen. Talk to me! I know you're scared, but you can do it! You can do it! Come on!
This Sunday, 12 noon, here on Net 25.
Let's get together, Sunday 25.
Seryoso kaming lahat sa paggawa ng advocacy campaign. Dapat lang naman kasi sineseryoso namin ng bawat task. Gusto namin talaga mag-excel sa aming craft.
Ng hindi kaya, bastada, may pangarap. Pangarap na tutugon sa maliit man o malaking realidad. Malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating sa larangan ng pakikipag-ugnayan at komersyo, nakasabay sa mabilis na pagbabago ng panahon at katuwa sa may pagbamon mula sa mga hamon ng mundo. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, katuwa ang Philippine Ports Authority sa pag-unlad ng bansang Pilipinas.
Marami pong salamat sa ating mga kaibigan mula sa Philippine Ports Authority o PPA. Ayun, eto naman, when life takes unexpected turns, Vanguard Insurance is there to protect what matters most. We provide comprehensive coverage and personalized care. Get protected today and live with confidence. Vanguard Insurance. Ayun, ano na bang latest na son? Doon sa tulay na bumagsak dyan sa Isabela.